In today's video, I'm going to show you how to turn Gmail grammar suggestions on and off in just a few simple steps. This is a really useful setting if you want Gmail to help you catch grammar issues while you write emails, or if you prefer a cleaner inbox experience without those suggestions showing up. So whether you want to turn it on for extra writing support or turn it off to keep things simple, I'll walk you through the exact steps. If this video helps, don't forget to hit like and subscribe for more quick tech tutorials. All right, let's get into it. First, open your browser and go to mail.google.com. Make sure you're signed into the Gmail account where you want to change this setting. Once Gmail loads, look to the top right corner of the screen and click the gear icon. This is where all of your Gmail settings live. After clicking the gear icon, choose See All Settings. That will take you into the full settings menu, where you can customize different parts of Gmail. Now make sure you are on the General tab. This is the section where Gmail keeps a lot of its basic display and writing preferences. Once you're in the General tab, scroll down slowly until you find the Grammar section. Depending on your screen size, this may take a little while, so just keep scrolling until you see it. When you find the Grammar option, you'll see a toggle for grammar suggestions. If you want Gmail to help you spot grammar mistakes while you type, turn Grammar Suggestions on. If you do not want Gmail showing grammar suggestions, switch the toggle off instead. It only takes a second, but it can make a big difference depending on how you like to write your emails. Once you've made your choice, keep scrolling down until you see Save Changes. This part is important because if you don't save, your new setting won't apply. Click Save Changes and Gmail will update your preference right away. After that, you're all set. Gmail will now either show or hide grammar suggestions based on the option you selected. So that's how to turn Gmail grammar suggestions on and off. If this tutorial helped you out, please give it a like, subscribe for more easy how-to videos, and I'll see you in the next one.